Okay, welcome back. So right now we're going to be talking about a dot plot, and a dot plot is a great way to summarize discrete numerical data. And if you remember, discrete numerical data can only have certain whole values. You can't have 2/3 of a TV or 1/5 of a person. Okay, so we're going to start off by working on how to read them. And basically a dot plot has all of these potential values down the bottom. These are all potential data values, and then every individual point is just a value that has been used. In this case, a books read survey maybe has every single one of these points being a different person. Alright, so let's get started. First up with A. How many children read 2 books? So if we go to 2 books down here, we can see that in total 3 separate people read 2 books. So the answer is 3. Alright, let's look at B. How many children participated in the survey? Well, we just have to add up all of these dots, and every single dot is a response. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 total responses to this survey. What is the range of books read? Well, our highest value is 10 and our lowest value is 0, and our range is equal to our highest value take away our lowest value, so 10 minus 0 is just 10. What is the median of the number of books read? Now to do this, you can do it by side, but ultimately you can also just write out all the numbers like we had in ascending order. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, sorry, and 10. So with this, we have 14 responses. So our answer is going to be the middle 2 responses, the 7th and the 8th response, added together and divided by 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So it's going to be these 2 responses here, because on either side now, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 either side, and these 2 in the middle. Now because they're the same, if I add 3 and 3 together, and then divide them by 2, it's still just 3. So if both middle values in an even data set, or an even number data set, are the same, then the median is the same too. Alright, what is an outlier? Well, we have this major difference between where the rest of the data is, or where the majority of the data is, and we have one which doesn't really feel anywhere near that particular group. Now, a lot of times this can be a real data value, but sometimes it's due to a mistake. Perhaps instead of writing 1, they accidentally wrote 1 and then a 0, and it was counted as 10. So the outlier is 10. What is the mode? The mode is the most frequently occurring data value, or the value with the highest frequency. So 1, 2, and 3 on 2 is the highest particular value, and is therefore the mode. So the mode is 2. Alright, here's one for you guys to practice, so pause the video, give it a go, and then I will solve it. Okay, let's get going. So we have a survey of sports played, and how many different children play how many different sports. So how many children play 4 sports? Well, we go to 4, and we can see that there are 3 children that play 4 sports. For B, how many children were surveyed? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 were surveyed. The range of the values goes from 7 to 0, so the range is equal to 7. What is the median? So let's put out all our numbers again. 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, and 7. Now we have 15 particular values, so our 8th value should be our median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will have 7 on this side and 7 on this side, and our median in the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Great, so our median is 3. For E, we have what is the mode. Now it's bimodal, which means it has 2 modes. So 4 has 3 particular responses and 1 has 3 responses. So it's 4 and 1 is our mode. F, is there an outlier? There's not any that is far enough removed from the entirety of this data. It's all pretty clustered close together, and even though 0 and 7 don't have many responses, it doesn't mean that they're an outlier. They just are still close enough to the rest of the data to be not considered an outlier, so no. Alright, that's it for this video, so hopefully it was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.